Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Steam Cloud Save conflict error. The first thing you should do is force Steam Cloud to sync again. Open Steam and go to your library. Right-click the affected game and select Properties. Stay on the General tab and turn Steam Cloud off. Wait a few seconds, then turn Steam Cloud back on. This refreshes the Cloud Sync feature for that game. Now launch the game and create a new manual save. If the game supports manual saving, make a new save file and then exit the game normally. Steam should detect the new save and upload it to the cloud automatically. If the problem continues, clear the Steam download cache. Click Steam in the top left corner and open Settings. Go to the Download section and click Clear Download Cache. Steam will restart and ask you to sign in again. After logging back in, try launching the game and allow Steam to sync your saves. You should also check whether the game online services are having server issues. Open your web browser and search for the game's server status. If there is an outage, you may need to wait until the servers are working normally again before cloud saves can sync correctly. Thanks for watching.